Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Two local engineers have invented a machine which they believe will revolutionize poultry production in Jamaica. The engineers admit that the concept is not new, but the design is original. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
It's a machine that's expected to improve the ability of small chicken farmers to supply the local market. It was created by two engineers.
There was a need for this. The traditional method of processing chicken so as consumer can get them was taking too long, and after a while myself and Mr. Mighty, we saw even in the Observer there was an article that came out that there was a shortage of chicken in the island, and we realized that sometimes it's not really a shortage, it's just demand exceeds supply.
Co-inventor Almondo Mighty explained that creating the machine involved several stages of trial and error.
We tried it with the electric first, but we recognized that just electric is a downfall to that, because some houses don't have 220 current, and some farm are off from the house also. So what we tried, I did engine, and I recognized the engine works well, like little bit of gas and you can do up to 300 to 500 chicken.
The inventor also explained that the machine should also be seen as another revenue stream for small farmers.
The purpose for this is not just to making it portable to bring around the house, but just in case a farmer buys one, he wants to rent it out to his neighbor, they can just come, tilt it, send it next door. One man can maneuver that to bring it next door.
The engineers vow to continue upgrading the machine while eyeing strategic partnerships.
We can leapfrog into the future and not following the first world countries, but staying ahead. And I believe we can achieve that. We can also reach out to the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, and rather they might have interest in this machine and can partner with us to give us the financial help we need.
For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
The finance minister has announced that about 100,000 workers were added to the employed labor force today. Dr. Nigel Clark notes that 1.3 million Jamaicans are employed in various industries, up from the 1.2 million Statin reported in July 2018. Dr. Clark says Jamaica is in a good place with record high employment. The finance minister explains that several companies are taking risks at unprecedented levels. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $129.05. The Canadian dollar closed at $97.87. The pound is going for $162.76, while the euro is being sold for $147.07. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in February went up by 2 cents to settle at $48.77 a barrel. The JSE index advanced by 603 points today, while the junior market index declined by 5 points. Among the winners, Carib Cement, Everything Fresh, Fosrich, Guest Corporation, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Kingston Wharves, Lasca Distributors, and Main Event Entertainment Group. On the losing side were 1834 Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, Cargo Handlers, Elite Diagnostic, General Accident Insurance, Honeybun, and Jamaica Broilers. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.